The artist formerly known as Maddie, what is your character's name?
Raven.
The artist formerly known as Allie, what is your name?
My name's Shania.
Mom, this is the beginning of the video, so everything we did earlier hasn't happened yet. So tell them who you are and what your character's name is.
I'm Tommy. I'm 12 years old.
The artist formerly known as Jordan, please tell your character name.
My name is Jack.
Jack Slate.
Jack Black Slate.
So you've been introduced to everybody, their former selves, their new characters, but you're probably wondering, what are we doing? Why are we doing it? And how did we get here? Let me explain. What happened to your arm?
Oh, I had to get some blood.
Are you a vampire? You ready?
Yep.
I hope so. I'm 10 minutes late, so.
I know you are. I wasn't going to say anything.
Why are you being rude?
I'm not being rude.
I'm kidding. Let's
Okay,
go.
hold on.
Correction. I'm 12 minutes late, but that's besides the point. It's time for an adventure. All right, Mom, we know your character. So what is our thought process here for your outfit?
Well, I'm trying to find a sweatshirt.
You wanna,
I want to pretend to be like a little kid,
There you go.
but
You have the height for it.
exactly. That's
So
why
there
I
you
said
go.
that.
Right. I mean, should we look for a hat for you too?
I was thinking a baseball cap.
Yeah, they got those over there too.
But I'm hoping you would lend me one versus me.
Nope.
Oh, dude.
Found the shirt. Very breathable, long sleeve, hides the tattoo. That is going to be the key. I don't want to get too hot and not be able to stay in costume. Now we just need to find jeans. Jeans have been acquired. This will be the fit. Probably tank top underneath, shove pillow in the stomach, and Larry is born. Accessories are everything. Plus, this is a fire find. Got a nice little crossbody. Actually goes with the fit right now. It's a huge win for me personally, and it's going to be the finishing touch for Larry. Let's get out of here. I need to find a cane. All right, everybody look alive, it's go time. We're going, we gotta hide. We have 20 minutes till everybody shows up, and it's gonna be a great way to stay in shape. So here's to going full incognito. Are you ready? Let's do it. Raven, now's your time, good luck. See you on the other side. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I feel a little too awkward to go into any of these stores because I'm afraid somebody's gonna ask me if I need help. It's 5:50. I'm gonna try to check in every 10 minutes or if some action's happening. But we'll check in again at 6 o'clock. That's when the event's supposed to start. So we'll stay frosty. Okay, update. Just walked by a student, totally unrecognized. This costume's gonna be goated. Successfully secured Starbucks. Francesco doesn't like Starbucks, but Larry seems like a Starbucks guy. And I apologize for how awful this angle is. Spotted a wild Shania. Whatever Ellie said her name was. How's your hiding going? Did somebody buy us? Update. I got found. I think Jordan's pretending. I can't tell. But we move on. All right, update. Went to go make another lap back. Got swarmed. I stood no chance. More people are coming. I'm gonna try to hide. Goodbye. All right, another update. I just got swarmed by like a whole mob of everybody. I'm pretty sure only one group hasn't found me as of right now. Completed another half lap. We're now posted up yet again. We have 40 minutes left. I'm exhausted. I'm hungry. Pillow is sweaty on my body. We're gonna push through. I'm still not found by one group, I think. We're gonna keep it going. All right, Mom, how we doing?
Well, good. Only 2 people have found me. Sydney found all 7 leaders.
She's already done.
Yeah, she's done. She's the prize winner.
All right, time's up, 8 o'clock. I'm walking back to everybody. This was a good time. The last team never found victory. That's Mom. Look at the camera, Mom. There you go. We finished it up. I'm putting my stuff away in the car. Don't get me wrong, the cowboy hat, ultimate vibe. It is my thing for sure. But I've been wearing it for a long time. I have crazy hat hair. We're gonna fix that. We'll put the wig away, and I think we're gonna go get some foods. A very solid ending. This year's Mall Madness 2023. Post Selly, time to go eat Bobcat Bonnie's. You ever been there before, Ma?
No.
It's pretty good. So,
What kind of cuisine is it?
cuisine, bro. It's food. Just say food, you goofball. Sir, how long's the wait? All right, cool.
Tommy two-tone. I only got two tones. There's one tone that's super loud and then the quiet tone where I'm sleeping normally. 90% of the time, I'm sleeping. Hopefully this gets in the vlog. Probably not, but we'll see.
Wrapped up dinner, it was delicious. Bobcat Bonnie's, it's a chain, but you know what? It gets the job done. And overall, it was a great day. Had a great time hanging out with Mom. You saw the behind the scenes of the vlog. Kind of saw some action shots. It was weird to film it. Like, I didn't want to film in public, make it seem like I was filming strangers, because actually when I was trying to get that clip of my mom, somebody went up to her and asked if I had filmed it. And then my mom had to explain what we were doing. Great day, it was a great time. Kids had fun, we had fun. And that's just like a little behind the scenes of what an event's like with us at our church. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop that like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on those post notifications, send the video to a friend. We got the Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday vlogs, as well as the Monday podcast. You don't want to miss any of that. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.